Ever wonder why you can effortlessly scroll through social media for hours, but the thought of opening a textbook for just 15 minutes feels like climbing Mount Everest? What if I told you that you could literally hack your brain to crave studying with the same intensity it craves that endless feed? Sound impossible? By the end of this video, you'll have the exact blueprint to make studying not just tolerable, but genuinely addictive. Get ready to unlock your brain's hidden superpower, because what I'm about to reveal will change how you approach learning forever. The dopamine dilemma: why your brain prefers TikTok to textbooks. Let's get real. Why is your phone an irresistible magnet, while your study materials feel like a black hole of boredom? The answer, my friends, is one powerful word: dopamine. This isn't just some fancy scientific term. It's the ultimate feel-good neurotransmitter, flooding your brain with pleasure when you experience something rewarding. Your brain is a dopamine-seeking missile, constantly on the hunt for its next hit. And here's the brutal truth: social media is a dopamine superhighway. Those perfectly engineered short-form videos, each swipe is a new hit, a hilarious joke, an impressive dance, a shocking fact, an adorable animal, all delivered in seconds. Zero effort required, just constant novelty and instant stimulation. Your brain isn't just getting dopamine, it's practically mainlining pure, concentrated bliss. Meanwhile, where does studying land on this pleasure scale? Crickets. Books, notes, lectures. They demand effort before they deliver any reward. They're slow, they demand focus. The dopamine payoff feels light years away compared to the instant rush from TikTok. Your brain isn't broken, it's simply been hijacked. But here's the good news: you have the power to take it back. The two-part blueprint to rewire your brain. So, how do we turn the tables? How do we make studying exciting? It's a powerful two-part solution, and I've seen it absolutely transform countless students who once thought they were just not the studying type. This isn't theoretical, it's a proven path to unlocking your true learning potential. Part 1. Reset your dopamine baseline. First, we need to reset your dopamine baseline. Imagine your dopamine system as a set of scales, completely thrown off balance. Right now, your baseline is sky high, meaning only the most intensely stimulating activities even register as pleasurable. We need to recalibrate that system. This isn't about some extreme, live in the woods for a month detox. It's about small, consistent daily practices that gradually resensitize your brain. Here's how to kickstart your mini dopamine detox. Embrace boredom. 15 minutes daily. Find 15 minutes each day to do absolutely nothing. No phone, no music, no distractions, just you and your thoughts. Walk outside without devices, stare at a wall if you have to. Let your mind wander and settle. The first few times, it will feel excruciating. Your brain will scream for stimulation. That's your sign it's working. You're experiencing withdrawal from those constant dopamine hits. After just a week, something remarkable happens. Your baseline starts to lower. Simpler pleasures begin to register again. Your brain, starved of its usual feast, becomes incredibly grateful for smaller, more meaningful meals. Part 2. Make studying deliver more dopamine. But here's where most advice falls short and why it's not enough. Lowering your baseline is only half the battle. You also need to actively make studying deliver more dopamine. This is where we turn those daunting textbooks into exciting treasure maps. Your brain craves knowledge. That's why you devour those 5 psychology facts that will blow your mind videos. Let's leverage that natural curiosity. Here's how to inject dopamine directly into your study sessions. Chunk it down and celebrate wins. Break your material into small, conquerable chunks. After each section, place a check mark or draw a star. This simple act of completion triggers a small, satisfying dopamine hit. You're building a positive feedback loop. The Pomodoro Power-Up. Use the Pomodoro technique. 25 minutes of laser-focused study followed by a 5-minute break. Your brain absolutely loves countdowns and finite challenges. Make it a game to stay completely immersed during those 25 minutes, then celebrate that mini break. Teach to learn. Explain concepts out loud as if you're teaching someone. Your brain processes information differently when you verbalize it. And that feeling of mastery you get when you articulate something clearly, you guessed it, more dopamine. Get hands-on and colorful. Take notes by hand with different colored pens. The physical act of writing, coupled with visual variety, stimulates multiple parts of your brain simultaneously, making learning more engaging and rewarding. Connect the dots. Make strong personal connections between what you're learning and things you already care about. Studying economics? Think about why your favorite brand just raised its prices. Learning biology? Connect it to how your own body works when you're crushing it at the gym. When information becomes relevant, it becomes exciting. The ultimate mindset hack. Intention over obligation. This is the game changer. Approach your books with genuine curiosity instead of dread. When you shift from "I have to study" to "I get to explore," your entire experience transforms. You're no longer studying for a grade. You're feeding your brain's inherent hunger for understanding. Your future starts now. I've witnessed people reach for their books instead of their phones during their free moments. Not because they're superhuman or different from you, but because they've consciously rewired their brains to associate studying with pleasure. It all starts with a single step. Today, commit to a 15-minute dopamine detox. Tomorrow, try studying in 25-minute focused bursts, celebrating each mini-win. Within just 2 weeks, you'll feel the shift. Within a month, you might just find yourself actually craving those study sessions. Remember, your brain isn't broken, it's just been hijacked. Take back control of your dopamine, and you take back control of your future. If this video ignited something within you, hit that subscribe button. I share powerful, science-backed learning strategies every single week, and I am here to help you transform from distracted to absolutely dedicated. Let me know in the comments below. Which technique are you going to try first? Let's build a community of unstoppable learners.